Hello everyone, this is me and this is my father. We like to build something in our workshop so much. We like everything that has wheels and the engine. But everything started with this scrap motorcycle. So why not to breathe life into it?
You should keep your distance from me.
Our main idea was to make it much longer and lower. Of course, we need totally rebuild everything. The engine, gearbox, transmission, frame. We started with nothing. We only had very cheap arc welder and angle grinder. But we wanted to create a unique bike despite the fact that we had never done this before. By the way, my father is dedicated for sports all his life, so he is a good example for me. There was a lot of work, even though we were sure that we finished all the planned work in 2 or 3 months. It was especially hard to work with fenders, only using a hammer and primitive arc welder. But a few cans of putty helped us. You have already noticed that our pets are helping us everywhere. You know, I would like that this Uncle gearbox to be closer to the wheel. Then less dust will get inside. We can adjust the spacer length. Could you put it vertically? Yeah, this hub here is temporary. We should make a new one. Here we can see how this wheel turns. By the way, this is ordinary car wheel, 16 inches. I think we can add additional driveshaft to the sidecar and front wheel. How about that? Yeah, we should ask our dog. We had no experience. I look at this process and understand that now we would do everything differently. This bike taught us everything. So show us, what did you do here? This lead was here, okay. Oh, you've made an extension. Okay, I get it. Could you show what's gonna be here? So this is the place for some indicators and ignition lock, right? Yeah, looks great from this side. Triple tree should be black. Big, powerful, brutal, long. Unlike stock motorcycles. We have 185 centimeters wheelbase now. It's pretty long. We don't like short bobbers. We like real bikes. We are not shy about riding our girlfriends. We have enough space on the seats, yeah. We didn't know how to paint, but small bike surfaces forgave us. I'm currently adapting car shock absorber to the rear suspension. I need to combine it with the original springs. It works great. It works. That's because they all help us. This little guy and the cat. Reliability, it's gonna work forever. 11 million pushes. At least Indian manufacturer assures us. I believe this season. We have to ride this season. For short and long distances. We want to visit Chernobyl to check how this shock absorber is gonna perform at high level of radiation. Also in the mountains of the Crimea, so wait for the next video, subscribe and hit the like button. I don't know what to say. It's time to ride, but we are still not ready. A year has passed. We expected to finish it half year ago. This cap. We've been through a lot together. I've been building the house with it. I'm sure this is not the last project with this cap. So now I'm gonna feed the rear fender. At some point when we put rebuilt engine into the frame, we hear its sound for the first time. Turn on the tail light, please. And the first ride. Then we continued to refine the motorcycle. Look over there, please. It smells like the beginning of autumn. But we are still finishing this bike. People say that the best time for riding a bike is winter. It sounds like the truth.
Это было.
Hey, are you wearing this dirty cap again? Of course, it has a specific aura. No one dares to wash it. We liked this bike, but soon we swapped the engine to V4. I'm gonna tell you about it soon.